Good morning, everybody.
Oh my gosh.
How are you guys? It is SCOTD time. For those of you that don't know, that's Sign Carvers of the Day. I have my lovely assistant behind the camera. No, not Ryan. It's Vicky behind the camera. Anyway, so we want to just do another great group of Sign Carvers of the Day. Some really, really good ones here. So I'll put in the title, and we'll probably put across the screen here. This is March 6th through March 20th. So, and you'll be seeing this like first part of June. So you can see I'm 3 months behind. So don't forget to keep sending me those pictures, your signs, and I will get to them. You know, I take them in order, and oh, by the way, I can only take one per month per person, obviously, because I get so many, but I love showing your guys' work off. So let's start off here with Bob Harper. This is 2x8 treated pine lumber, and he made a customized bench, which is really, really cool. Bob took extra precautions because of the pre-treated lumber. So he used pre-treated lumber, but put the name Gonzalez on there, and I think it looks terrific. That's a great, actually a great product line. Something to think about, guys. You can customize furniture, benches, that kind of stuff. People love that. So anyway, great job, Bob. Good job. All right, and this is Jim Symington. Jim, we actually did a Zoom with Jim a year or two ago. He lives half the time in Mexico, at his house in Mexico, and the other half of the time up in British Columbia, I believe. And this is what he calls, it's a china cabinet, but he calls it Hutch Birds of Paradise. But it really is cool. A great job. And this is made from local palm wood there in Mexico. So, love it. I love it. Great job.
Another good example of furniture with carving on it.
Yeah. Again, customized carving. Furniture, yeah. Michael Borg. So the stars are hand routed, and this is just an amazing flag. I just love what Michael's doing. If you guys remember, Ryan and I got a chance to meet Michael and his lovely wife Deborah down in Lake Havasu. Terrific couple. We had a blast just getting to know them. Anyway, keep up the great work, buddy. Next, we have Natalie Baker, and this is made for a friend's dog, Hutch, and you guys can read it here exactly what it says, but this, again, another great niche. You know, that's the thing, guys. Remember that these signs, they're not just great signs, they're great ideas for things that you can do that maybe you can sell in and around your area. So this is, again, the pet industry, the pet signs, huge. So great job, Natalie. Jeremy Hawthorne. This is 36 by 48, 3 inches thick. It used an airbrush and gold epoxy. Jeremy just does stuff that is so unique. Nobody's doing stuff quite like Jeremy does. Great job, Jeremy. I love it. Great job, buddy. This is from Jay. This is a portrait for a customer, and Jay kind of specializes in these, and which again is a great niche. Several of you, I've seen this several times from some people that follow us that do a lot of portraits, pet portraits even, and you know, human portraits as well. Great job, Jay. David Fees. This is his 4th sign, and I love it. This is a first sign for a friend of his. His friend's name is Mike Froggy. And he puts on an ice fishing derby every year and has done that for the last 25 years. But fantastic. So this is a 24-inch round, and just a great job, David. I love it. Beautiful sign. Len Wells. This is made out of yellow cedar. The chicken is carved from a piece of basswood, and they were added on top. Len's been routing signs. All right, let me try that again. Len has been hand carving for years, and now he's adding that to carved signs. And this is just a really, really cool sign. I love it. Very, very neat. Greg Langhoff, and this is, I don't know, this looks like cedar, but I don't have a lot of details on it, but it looks good. This is obviously for a gate at a farm, and again, another niche, ranch signs, farm signs, very, very popular. Great job, Greg. First sign from Trent, DeSatels. I know I'm probably butchering that, Trent. I apologize. He's from Canada. And this is 15-inch by 24-inch, 1-inch cedar deck boards put together. So, great job. I love it. And this is his very first sign. So, congratulations, Trent. We have some signs from Skylar Johnson. And these obviously purple and gold. Really cool looking signs. No wood showing here, but man, the colors really show up well. Great job, Skylar. Terrific work. And we have Rob Lindsay, 2-inch redwood for a customer. I'm not sure what the meaning of all this is. Obviously, it has a music motif and looks terrific. Great job, Rob. 2-inch redwood and obviously natural background, but it looks great. Good job, Rob. Monty Hawthorne. Monty Cook, not Monty Hawthorne. I wrote that down wrong. This is his first sign, and actually for a very first sign, you're doing a great job, Monty. Terrific job holding some really good lines. Great job. All right, Pete Hernandez. This is an urn for his dog. Wow, this is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Obviously, Pete is a very good woodworker, so he has now added some hand routing to his woodworking skills. Terrific job, Pete. And here we have one that is just incredible. Luke Gearink. And this one just speaks for itself. Great job, Luke. Love the colors and the artwork. Terrific work. Next, we have Mike Perry. And this one, anybody that is a Yellowstone fan definitely can love this one. Again, a really, really neat niche. Love it, Mike. Great job, buddy. Dave Carroll, his first sign. This is a tree that Dave sees on his way to work in the morning. Took a photo and converted it to an actual carved sign. And wow, terrific job, Dave. For a first sign, that's pretty amazing that you took a photograph and were able to convert that to a carved sign. Love it. Here we've got one, Craig Alderman. This is Craig's grandson, Augie, who is holding Craig's very first sign. And Augie has his own hunting blind. And that's what this one's all about. Great job, Craig, and that's a cool picture of your grandson. Congratulations, Augie. You made it on the show. Next, Walter Kukierski. I hope I'm saying that right. First sign, used a profile bit. Very nice scallops on there. Nice and even scallops all the way around the edge.
I love that artwork.
Yeah, that artwork. That's a really cool sign. So, again, for a first sign, that is really amazing, Walter. Great job, buddy. And last but not least, Richie Barclay from New Zealand. I believe Richie's from New Zealand. 14 by 24 New Zealand pine. Put a cedar stain on it, use the carving liner and the profile bit. And this is for a friend's wedding. Beautiful work, Richie, as always. So, there you go, guys. Another terrific group of sign carvers of the day. Again, this is March 16th through March 6th through March 20th. So only 14 days, and we have been doing so much lately. We're way behind on this. We'll probably do another one of these in a couple weeks to try and get caught up, maybe make a bigger group. But thank you guys, everybody, for sending in your pictures. Those of you that have sent in pictures that haven't showed up yet, please be patient. We're going to try and knock another one of these out in a couple weeks, and we'll try to get caught up. But we just received so many pictures that we're running 2 to 3 months behind. So anyway, thanks so much, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe and click that little bell icon when you get notified, or when you subscribe, so you get notified, because we do 4 videos every week. There is the website for supplies. And by the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, we are really funded by the fact that many of you buy supplies from our website. So we don't have a big following here. We've only got 45,000 subscribers, so we don't really make our money on our YouTube channels. We really make our money from our premium members, our executive members, and the fact that you guys buy router bits, you buy base plates. So you're probably going to hear me talk a little bit more about that, because I find that a lot of brand new viewers don't realize that that's how we actually can keep doing what we're doing. And we're putting out a lot of content for you guys, and we so appreciate you guys supporting us in that way. If you can go on the website and see if something sparks your interest, we would love to be your supplier of sign carving supplies. So anyway, guys, we love you. We so appreciate you. And if you have any questions, email me directly, eric@makerwoodsign.com, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.